Sometimes life feels heavy, like you're carrying the whole world on your shoulders and nobody truly sees how much you're trying. But even in those moments when everything feels dark, I remind myself that I'm still here, still breathing, still fighting. And no matter how tough it gets, I've got something that keeps my heart steady, my friends. They're not just people I chill with. They're the ones who held me up when I felt like I was falling apart. They're the ones who gave me a reason to smile on days when I didn't even want to get out of bed. They're the ones who showed me what real love and real loyalty looks like. To me, they're like brothers' chosen family, and that kind of bond doesn't break. I love my friends because they've seen the real me, the versions of me I don't show the world. They've seen my highs, my lows, my wins, and my losses, and they never switched up. They never left. They never judged. They just stayed. And that means more to me than words can explain. So when life gets hard, and it will, I remind myself that I'm not walking this path alone. I've got people who stand beside me, who believe in me, who push me to become the best version of myself. And because of them, I keep going. I keep growing. I keep fighting. At the end of the day, life is about the hearts you connect with, not the things you have. And as long as I've got my friends, my brothers, I'll always have strength. I'll always have love. And I'll always have a reason to rise again, no matter what life throws at me.
Kyle! Kyle! Oh, you okay, girl?
Hey, hey! Are you gay? Are you gay? He said, what you doing, bro?
Damn! Damn! This nigga look good as fuck.